Now we are going to study about two types of cell, that is animal cell and plant cell. What is the difference is, generally animal cell is small in size, whereas plant cell is large in size. Cell wall is absent in animal cell, cell wall is present in plant cell. Okay, so cell wall is dead, it is a dead part of the plant cell, and it is rich in cellulose. It is rich in it is a polymer. Cellulose is a polymer, so it is used to make fibers and all, and it is giving strength to the plant parts. Okay, cell wall. It is also helps in production also, isn't it? Plastids are absent. We don't have any colored substance. Plastids means it is something. Plastids means it contains chloroplast. Okay, chromoplast and all. So plastids are present, means chlorophyll is present. Colored pigments are present in plant cell, that is absent in animal cell. Vacuole is smaller in size or less in number. We don't have, vacuoles are very less in animal cell, whereas vacuole is very large and more in plant cell. These vacuole will be storing some waste substance, or it helps to store the food in amoeba and all. So then it is called as food vacuole and all. Okay, so vacuole will provide strength also to the cell. Then centrioles are present, centrioles are absent. In centriole means it is a organelle that is present in animal cell, whereas it is absent in plant cell. So this is the diagram of typical animal cell. So when you are drawing that diagram, you can refer this picture. So it is very clear. Okay, this is plasma membrane or cell membrane. Okay, in this yellow colored part is cytoplasm, and in that you can see the organelles. All organelles are there. You can see this is the endoplasmic reticulum, mitochondria, then Golgi bodies. Okay, lysosome. All these things are there. So this is all about this lesson, that is about this lesson, cell structure and function. Hope you understood the lesson. You just please read about this lesson. I think I have to. Okay, now I want to tell about one more portion, that is prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. Okay. What is prokaryotic cell and what is eukaryotic cell? Prokaryotic cell means it is the cell which was very ancient, which was very primitive cell. Okay, earlier how was the cell? Okay, according to the scientists say that earlier the cell was not so developed. Understood? It was very primitive, very old. But later, as evolution, that is called evolution, as days passed, years passed, now we have a good developed cell. Then how was the cell earlier? See, that is called prokaryotic cell. Nucleus is undeveloped. Nucleus was not developed. But here eukaryotic cell, it is very developed. When you learn about prokaryotic and eukaryotic, you will be having a question, what type of cell I am having? We are having eukaryotic cell, very developed cell, all the organisms, all the other organisms. And which animals are having, who is having prokaryotic cell? Some bacteria and blue-green algae. These bacteria and blue-green algae are recognized as very primitive organism before the animals before the animals began to live on the earth. Who was there? This bacteria and blue-green algae was there. Understood? That were the older living organism. That's why their nucleus is undeveloped. But here the nucleus is very well developed. Here see, if nucleus is not there, means what is there? Only one chromosome is present. In our body there are, how many? There are more than one chromosomes. Okay, actually we are having 46 chromosomes. Understood? Human beings are having 46. 23 from father and 23 from mother. Okay. We will be learning how it is possible. Next you see, Membrane bound organelles are absent. So we know what are organelles now. Your mitochondria, all these so many things are there now. Organelles are there now. That is, they don't have any membrane. They are telling. Actually, there are some of them are having two membranes. Your mitochondria, all they are having two membranes. Okay, so membrane bound organelles are absent. So those organelles are absent, it seems. So membrane bound organelles are present. What is the size of the cell? It is very 0.525 micrometer it is. But here see, this is the size of the cell. It is bigger than prokaryotic cell. So this is the difference between eukaryotic and prokaryotic. Actually, what is the difference? Okay. Prokaryotic means what? Very primitive. Primitive means very old. What is the examples for prokaryotic? Bacteria and blue-green algae. And what are eukaryotic? They are well designed and very advanced. Okay, they are having well developed nucleus. That's why they are called eukaryotic. And we are all having eukaryotic cell. So hope you have understood about this chapter. If you read once this chapter, it will be very easy. If you have any doubt, you can please ask. And I will be sending the notes very early.